In this video you will learn how to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile. Clear browser, cache and cookies. Open the web browser settings and go to privacy and security, then clear browsing data and remove cache and cookies to reset your Roblox save preferences. Switch to desktop mode. If you're using a browser like Chrome or Safari, tap the menu icon and select Request Desktop Site to force Roblox to load into desktop mode. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is updated to the latest version, as outdated browsers may cause Roblox to misread your device type. Disable mobile emulation or extensions. If you use developer tools or mobile emulation extensions, turn them off since this can make Roblox think you're on a mobile device. Log out and log back in. Sign out of your Roblox account. Close the browser or app, then log back in. This will refresh your session and device detection settings. Try using a different browser or PC app. If the issue persists, try another browser. This could be Edge or Firefox, or download the Roblox desktop app. For the correct platform interface, now you know how to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.